Hi guys, welcome to my Arduino tutorial. This is the first Arduino lesson for the beginners. I would like to explain about my tutorial, which I divided in 3 sections for beginners and intermediate and advanced students. The beginner tutorial is for those people who don't have any experience with the embedded systems and they would like to start learning. My teaching process is totally different from the others. For me, the learning process is like driving a car. You don't have to know about mechanics in order to drive a car. That's the reason I won't teach about the Arduino architecture for the beginners. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. This is our very first project. In this project, we learn how to control a LED light. Before we start our project, we have to make 2 things. First, install the Arduino software, and second, we have to choose one of the Arduino products. If you open the original website of the Arduino, is www.arduino.cc. You can download the software from the download section. It depends on your operating system. You can download your software. If you have a Linux machine or Windows, you can download the software from here. And second, you have to choose the Arduino board. I'm assuming you guys already purchased one. I'm using the Arduino Uno for this project. Now we can start our project, control a LED light. Okay, we don't need the website. For this project, I'm using the Arduino Uno, as I said before, and I'm using the breadboard, and also I'm using one LED light, and one 220 ohm resistor, and also 2 jumper cable. One is red and the other black for positive and negative. Okay. About LED, you guys have to know there is 2, as you see in the picture. Hopefully you guys can see it very well. There is 2 leg, one leg, long leg and short leg. The long leg is positive and short leg is negative. I put this somewhere on my breadboard like that, and this side I have to remember is positive, and I take my resistor and connect this resistor to the positive side of the LED like that. And I'm choosing my red jumper cable and connected to the resistor, which is connected to the positive side of the LED, and the other end of the red cable I have to find the digital pin on my board. I'm choosing the pin number 13. Like that. Is connected to pin number 13, and use the black jumper cable and connect it to the negative side of LED, and on the other side of the cable has to go to the ground, which is next to the pin number 13. Okay, now we can run the software. When you run the software, you can see this file. We have 2 sections, setup and loop. The setup function runs once when you press reset or power the board. Pretty much we initialize our parameters for the first time here, and the loop function runs over and over again forever. and we can tell the program, tell the our microprocessor what to do with this program. Okay, let's get started. In setup section, initialize digital pin number 13 as an input. We have to use the pin mode keyword and the digital pin we chose is number 13, and we set this as output. We're done with setup. Now we go to the loop section. For turning the LED on, we have to write the digital, write pin number 13 high, and we want to wait for 1 second, which I have to use the delay keyword. 1 second, you have to write in millisecond, which is 1000 millisecond is 1 second. And for turn off the LED, we use the same command, digital write pin number 13. Now this time we have to say low for turn off the LED, and wait again for 1 second. Okay, I explained this one more time. We go here and turn on the LED, wait for 1 second, that means the LED is on for 1 second, and turn off the LED and wait for 1 second, that means the LED is off for 1 second. And then we jump again up because this loop runs forever, and then turn on the LED 1 second, turn off the LED for 1 second, and you can see the LED start blinking. Now how we have to upload this program to our board. In order to do that, we have to connect our board to the USB cable. Okay. Now before we upload the program and compile the program, we have to go to menu, tools. First, we have to make sure we choose the right Arduino product. I'm using the Arduino Uno. It should be Arduino Uno. And the second, we have to use the right serial communication port, which is already chosen. And we're done with this. Everything is okay. We can compile the program and see everything is fine. Compile the program. You can save the program. Now you see there is no error. If I'm accidentally make a mistake here and compile, you can see it shows this line has some issues. I have to go here and make sure everything is fine. Okay, now with this button we can upload this program to our Arduino board. Okay, as you see, now the LED start blinking. 1 second on, 1 second off. Also, I can change the program. I can do it faster. Instead of 1 second, which is 1000 milliseconds, I can put 100 milliseconds on and 100 milliseconds off and see what happens. Now you see this very fast blinking. Yeah, thank you for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe and see you soon. Bye.